Hi everyone, it's time for Miss Kim in the kitchen. All right, before we start, I have to go wash my hands. All right, so now we're all starting. Now, before we started with the video, to a little time constraint, is I already washed my vegetables. Because remember, we have to get all the dirt and the pesticides and everything off. So all my now remember when you're using celery, you want to make sure you clean all in here because we're going to make ants on the logs. All right, ants in the boat. All right, and log roll ants. Okay, ants in the log. Okay, so I needed a pepper. I needed celery. All right, I needed a tortilla wrap. All right, I'm going to have dried cranberries. All right, now only and only if you're not allergic to peanuts or tree nuts, because we would never bring these into our school. You can use pecans, almonds, and you can fill up your things with peanut butter. All right, if you're not allergic or anybody is not allergic in your house. Okay, so we're going to start off by taking our celery, and we're going to get a nice clean cutting board. I always like to cut off the ends, all right, just for my own appeasing flavor. Okay, so I'm going to cut. Now we make sure that if transition kids you're cutting, make sure you have somebody monitoring you, that you're not doing by yourself with a knife. All right, and also if you're in the younger grades, have this be a project with your family members. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna cut. All right, and I'm gonna make tiny little logs. All right, so that's enough logs to make. Okay, so how do I fill them? Well, I'm gonna fill them up. I like strawberry cream cheese. Okay, you can make any flavor, whatever kind of flavor you like with cream cheese. You can use hummus made out of chickpeas. And like I said, if you're not allergic to peanut butter, you can. Also, if you are allergic to peanut butter, you can use sunflower peanut butter, not peanut butter, but you can use sunflower butter. And that's really good. And okay, so I'm cleaning up and I'm making all my different logs. All you have to do is fill it with your cream cheese. All right. I'll tell you what, nobody in my house is allergic to peanut butter. So what I'm gonna do is take a different knife. Okay, now all right, and I'm gonna come in and get my peanut butter, and then my peanut butter can go on this one. Now, I have no food allergies for peanut butter at my house. Okay, all right. Now, did you just see what I did? I licked my finger. So I gotta be right back. All right, washed my hands again. All right, so now it's to put the ants on top. So I'm gonna take a few of the dried cranberries, and I'm making all my ants. Okay, not my husband's sisters, but my aunt. Okay, all right, now if I do make this one, all right, I can, if it's already peanut butter, it already has the peanuts on it, I can put pecans on it to add a little more protein for the nuts. Okay, now think of other things that you can put on it. Regular cream cheese. Okay, I'm gonna add more cream cheese to this one. I had one extra. Okay, and I'm gonna put a few more cranberries. I love cranberries. You can put yellow raisins, you could put raisins, could put really smushed up grapes. Okay, don't put whole grapes on it because they're a choking hazard. Okay, now if I did all these, I want to make a boat. So here I have a boat. Okay, by cutting. Okay, now my pepper looks like a boat. Okay, all right, maybe a All right, and then I take my cream cheese again, and I smear it on my boat. All right, and I haven't tried this with the peanut butter. I don't think I will, but you can also do that. If you have the spreadable cheese, any type of spreadable cheeses you can put on. All right, I'm going to put my little passengers on my boat, so they're all ready for, looks like a catamaran. All right, if you, like I said, if you're not allergic to the nuts, you can use your pecans for your passengers, like a rowboat. Okay, and the last one I'm going to show you, let me put all these over here. Okay, I'm going to put them into my thing. The last one I'm going to show you is I'm going to take my wrap, and I'm going to cut it in half. That's all I need. Okay, and then this time I'm going to take my cream cheese, and I'm going to smear it at the ends. Okay, see, it's all smeared. Okay, I'm going to take my cranberries again, and I'm going to roll it this time. So we're going to roll it all the way around. Okay, there you go, just like this. And now an adult will help you cut it into little bite-sized pieces. And now you have ants in a log roll, in the log. Ants in the log, not on the log. All right, so if I put these all on my plate, now remember what kind of food groups we got. We got vegetables, we got dairy, we have, if you use the rolls, you have wheat, grains. All right, if you use the peanut butter or the nuts, you have protein. All right, like, again, I stress no food allergies. All right, and here we go. I got a nice little spread for my family to have a nice snack when school is over. All right, bon appetit. Okay, see you guys later. Bye now.